What's up guys, What's up guys, PurpleGun3603, and today guys we will be drawing the Rainbow Smash pickaxe from Fortnite Battle Royale. Hope you guys do enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe. I've not got a tripod yet. I will get one soon. Yeah, let's get started. So you want to draw a normal straight line, another one almost like a tube, and then draw a little circle, or almost like a little was it tip, draw a little almost like half square, yeah, and then draw a tire. I think that's a tire, yeah. And then draw a circle. Draw another one. You don't see the things in it, so let's just do that. So there's one part. Let's draw a little curve. A little square almost box. Straight line, and then now we're going to get into the curve part that kind of is hard. Draw two little bumps like that, and then draw the mouth. Oh, a little bit too small. Like that. And then draw a little bit of lines for the teeth. And then draw that part right there. Circle. Draw the nose. Like that. And then draw the part that's attached. Like that. Draw another circle and then draw another one in the middle. And then draw another part like that. Draw a big one. And this is going to be the funny part. Draw a almost box looking thing. And then an eye. And then an eye going like that. Unicorn, or basically like a cone. And then draw a bunch of lines like that. And then draw a curve and make the body like that. Draw the ears. I've been requested to do this, and I'm doing it for you, dude. I'll be doing the Dirt Burger Pop tomorrow, cause yeah. And then draw the hair. Now we forgot one more thing, guys. It is called the rainbow. Draw the one part of a rainbow, draw another curved line, and then just draw a bunch of spikes. And then just detail that in. Color that part in. Draw the nose. Let's just trace that one more time. There you go, guys. There is the new Rainbow Smash pickaxe. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Just like Fortnite. Yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the post notification bell if you guys are new. So, but yeah, like I said, hope you guys did enjoy, and peace.